Hey guys, so my car is making this weird whirring sound, so I don't really know if it's normal or not for a 2006 Honda. But I was just wondering if you guys could give me any opinions on it. This is how it sounds. You hear the wow 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 noise? Might be able to hear. Any feedback would be greatly appreciated.